to stainless steel the ring to give it a testing. 你可以吗？你两个手拿嘛，你要按哪个先？你要把弓线调大一点。
弓越减大点。
For the normal working, the current and the power should be higher, and the pounds also need to be higher. And then, 频率呢？
频率不用。
光斑也不需要，是不是？
光斑看情况。
You can use the microscope. You also can use the CCD, the touch screen. You can see it clearly. Yes. 转个地方啊，对，慢慢喊。焊多点，焊牢一点。If you have any other requirements, you also can change the power, frequency, pounds, and spot, the laser spot. And this number is a program. If you have the parameters saved, you can save the maximum 50有50条吧，可以保存数据，对不对？Yes， 你可以拿出来看看。对。OK， 拿出来看一下。This is a welding.